Then how you can get your skin in shape for summer with just one simple treatment. But first, here's a look at the winning number.
And summertime is almost here, which means some of us are going to start showing some skin. And here to help get our skin summer ready, Dr. Ataii from Laser Clinique near Carmel Valley. Thank you for being with us this morning.
Thanks for having us, Nina.
Okay, now you brought this very interesting looking machine over here. Tell us what that is. And you said that's pretty much the starting point when somebody comes in to take a look and see just what damage they've done to their skin.
Absolutely. What we do is at Laser Clinique, we analyze the skin as a complimentary consult. It's called the Visia Complexion Analysis. And on 6 different levels, it tells us what's going on with your skin, as far as pores, spots, wrinkles, texture, porphyrins, which break down.
It could be kind of scary, though.
It can. For some people come in originally, they get a little scared, but we give them a statistical numerical analysis to see where they stand, and it also analyzes sun damage.
Okay.
Once we have those results, then we have treatment recommendations based on that.
Okay.
Because we can do before and afters. There is a way now where you can see numerically your improvements.
Okay, so this gives you a very, very up-close look, to say the least. Now, you brought in a patient with you this morning. We have Heather, and I believe we do have some before pictures of Heather. What was the situation with Heather?
On Heather, she had extensive sun damage to her chest. Growing up, she's a PB girl, and she had extensive sun damage to the chest area with freckling, and we did one treatment on her, and she's had tremendous improvement.
And you can see there some freckles there. She is fair complected, and that can be the risk here living in Southern California. But now I'm looking at your skin there on your chest, and it really does look beautiful and clear. So what is it that you did exactly for her then?
One of the treatments that we do is called photodynamic therapy, and that's what I'd like to talk about. It's a process. It's actually 2 processes combined. We first cleanse the skin, then we apply something called Levulon, which I have a sample of here.
Okay.
Levulon is a chemical that we put on the skin.
All right.
Then we have to activate it with a light source. Well, the light source that we use is called IPL, or intense pulse light.
Okay.
There's very minimal downtime. You have about an hour redness, but we recommend that you stay indoors for 48 hours to avoid the sun, because the sun is another light source that can activate the chemical.
Okay, so you want to do this now before you're spending a lot of time outdoors to try and get it into the corrective process then?
Absolutely.
Okay.
We reverse years of damage with this process. After you've prevented, restored, you need to protect.
Okay.
So what do we recommend? Well, we have one complete line, but it has 2 processes. One is for acne-prone skin and oily skin, and the other is for more sensitive and red skin.
Okay.
So it contains...
What if you have both?
Well, then you use a combination of both.
Because my skin is all over the map, I know that. So you give people whatever treatment based on their skin type.
So following up treatments, we recommend a skin regimen, because we want to be able to maintain what we've created.
Okay.
And so we have what we call a calming green tea wash.
Cleanse, okay.
Everything has green tea in it, which is very soothing on the skin, strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant as well.
Heard a lot of great things about green tea. Okay, so cleanse and then tone.
There's tone, okay. Then what we have is the calming green tea therapy.
So it's cleanse, tone, hydrate, and what was the final step?
Moisturizer, and then most important, sunscreen.
Sunscreen, so you don't just do right back what you just did.
Exactly.
All right, well, thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it. Maybe you should come in and we could do this on you.
Oh, I don't know if I want to get in that machine, that's for sure. All right, well, we'll go ahead and send it back to the desk.
Thank you.
Thanks, Nina. And by the way, a laser treatment costs about $400, and doctors usually recommend a series of 3. The treatment products range from $15 to $20. Coming up, good news about our